trust no bitches. See these hoes be out here switching they side. When it's down for the shit I ride. Right in my eyes, been ready to die. 30 time for trading mine. You better than I, nobody alive. Nobody living like that. I ain't fighting to live since I was a kid. Later the old with 30 on 10. My house look like a gun range. My road look like a gun store. Either you don't know my name or niggas dying in your before. Like either way, don't give no fuck. You gon' find me going down with this shit. I'm in this shit. You know I love the gun sale. That's living crime. Back to clown, they taking shots. And the car, you'll catch them out the shotgun. That's right, right from PPR. Nobody shots, I'm heating door. Try to run, you sleeping all in. You see, I mean the shit I'm talking. You don't want no problems. Slave to off in the shoe, my mask in his backpack. Two dope boys in a Cadillac strap. Wood brain dance with shield same class. Beating down the hand like we back selling crack. Killing for the car, but living for my mama. The trouble what they call us and nothing what they offer off. And they wonder why niggas get shot. And they wonder why niggas get shot. Where you at, where you from?
Yeah.
See, it's how I man, any time of the day you can rob and jump. It's a game that we play to get paid for the ones that it needs of the young. Snake slide to the grass, play slide in the bag of the use and abuse. Try to walk in my shoes, get tricked in my feet too short. Ask God, what do you want? He said I want your life. Well, I ain't live my life. But if I do the crime, do the time, hands up, I was born in time, extend the clip, big 45, he quit the trip, been lost my mind. I'm not down, please don't let mama cry, cause she know. Had to be in my eyes, and I got close to me. Get a gun, go, not that nigga. Run the border, no back, no feelings, no rules. They shooting us, so we shooting back. I've been burning shit, and I'm on the hill. That moves in breath, know that I in these 19 years. Got a homie say shit one tear. Gotta stop with my curfew is. So to that day, I'm gon' do my shit. I do my shit, they know my name. Not proud of the outcome. Get that breastfeed out there, no sleep. She gon' make some motherfucking noise one time.
Can I get more music in my booth, please?
Can we get more music in the booth?
In the booth,
for the DJ, can we turn the mic up to like 1.5?
No, no mic, just the booth.